Welcome, my dear cinephiles, for yet another exciting episode of Next Gen Cinemas. Our channel introduces world cinema and content-oriented movies to you. When it comes to content-oriented movies, there is a debate going on that content-oriented movies comes from the Hollywood or other foreign languages. Sorry for those who believe that. Today I am going to introduce you to a personality who has changed this mentality. He is none other than Mr. Vetrimaran. He is one of my favorite directors and one of the best director working in the Indian industry. Let's check who Vetrimaran is. Vetrimaran is an Indian film director, producer, screenwriter who predominantly works in Tamil film industry. In the span of 13 years, he has directed 5 movies, which is extraordinary. His main specialty is that he has a unique storytelling and minute detailing. He picks the story of common man and he showcases the society's power, greed, love, and caste discrimination. He has collaborated with actor Dhanush for 5 times, 4 times as an actor and 1 time as a producer. So, here is the list of Vetrimaran's top 5 movies. Number 5 is Polladavan. This is a 2007 movie. This movie marks the debut of Vetrimaran and he collaborated with Dhanush for the very first time. This movie also stars Murali, Bhanupriya, Kishore, Daniel Balaji and Divya Spandana. This story revolves around Prabhu's family and his love life. His life gets upside down when his bike gets stolen. The BGM composed by G.V. Prakash Kumar is one of my favorite even today. Number 4 on the list is Asuran. It is a 2019 movie. This movie is the recent release of Vetrimaran, which has been praised by many for its bold attempt. Dhanush plays an younger version and an older version of Sivaswamy. Other cast includes Manju Warrier, Pashupati, and Prakash Raj. This movie is all about Sivaswamy's journey to protect his younger son from the goons of a big shot who has been murdered. This movie has nothing new to offer, but what keeps it connected to the audience is its execution and engaging screenplay. This movie is being remade in Telugu by Venkatesh Dagupati in lead role. Number 3rd on the list is Vadachennai. It is a 2018 movie which has been the 4th installment by Vetrimaran and it is planned to be a trilogy. This movie had an impeccable cast and a stellar performance by all the cast. Cast includes Dhanush, Aishwarya Rajesh, Amir, Andrea Jamia, Daniel Balaji and Kishore. The word chaos has purely justifies the movie. If you want to know how great screenplay affects the movie, then go check this one. This movie is also available in YouTube in Hindi. So, this story revolves around Anb, who is a carom player when he unfortunately gets into the world of crime. Number 2nd on the list is Aadgalam. It is a 2010 movie which is also the second movie of the director. This movie has won 6 national awards at the 58th National Film Awards, which includes the Best Actor, Best Director, Best Screenplay Original, Best Editing, Best Cinematography, and also a special jury award to VIS Jayapalan. The cast includes Dhanush, Tapsi Pannu, Kishore, VIS Jayapalan. This movie tells the story of Petey Karan, who is famous in his town for an impeccable track record of his successes in rooster fights. When one of his asides goes against his word in a fight, it leads to enmity between them. This movie also showcases the slang of that village, which is the unique specialty of this movie. So, number first on the list is Visarne. This 2015 film has a special place in my heart and will be in my list of any top 10 crime thriller movies. It was selected as India's official entry for the best foreign language film at the 89th Academy Awards, but unfortunately, it was not nominated. This movie showcases the police brutality and backstory of custody murders, which is relevant in nowadays. Vetrimaran as a producer. He has produced many movies, but I would recommend two of his movies. One is Kaka Mutai, a 2015 comedy drama movie which has also won National Award for Best Children's Film. And second one is Lens, a 2016 movie which is a bilingual hostage drama made in Tamil and Malayalam languages. Next, here are some of the upcoming Vetrimaran directorial projects. Number one is Ajnabi, a novel to be made into a movie. It is yet to be announced. Second is a Netflix anthology. There are rumors that he is going to direct a Netflix anthology. Third is a Suri Untitled project. Actor Suri and Vetrimaran are going to be collaborated for the very first time, but it is yet to be announced. And number fourth is Vadivasal. which is a Surya movie which is announced and it is going on to be floors soon. So we have pinned all the above mentioned movies trailer in our description. Comment down your favorite Vetrimaran movie and also give us your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. If you liked our content, please do subscribe our channel.